I've been managing Monster Plow for 13 years, and what I've really learned is it takes a special type of individual to be successful at this work.
Monster quality standards is about caring about your property, making sure that it's done well, and that you're always double checking everything to ensure the clients are 100% satisfied.
Making sure the work gets done to Monster standards is all about the fine details. Making sure that the ice melter is down properly, that all the areas are shoveled properly, and that the place looks neat and tidy when you're done.
Our responsibility to these properties is to create safe access. People need to get in and out of their homes in a safe manner without concern.
I'm meticulous, and this job is, especially working for Monster, is highly reliant on being detail focused.
When the snow falls, we're the ones that are battling it, clearing it, and we've got to do the best, you know?
You need dedication to your clients, all of them. All of them are important.
The satisfaction that I get after I've done servicing the property is making our clients' properties like my own, safe and clean.
When finishing servicing a property, I get satisfaction from knowing that our clients, they can feel safe. They can feel assured that they can get in and out of their properties.
We are the reasons that they're safe when they're leaving out their house during the winter times, because we're getting rid of the snow, we're getting rid of all the ice.
I believe our clients are very satisfied with the Monster service. We put in a great effort. We get no complaints. We do great work.
Our clients are highly satisfied with their services because we use high quality ice melter and we take pride in the work that we do.
I think the clients are 100% satisfied with Monster Plow service because we're always on time.
The most important responsibility I have is to make it safe and to also be safe while on the property.
When you see a property and you know it's complete the way you like it, and that's how I like to roll. When I go drive by my property, like, I did that. You know, that's what I enjoy.
I think Monster Plow clients are very satisfied. Everyone I know makes sure that the work is done properly, trifold.
You know, for me and the guys in the truck, I also call us essential workers. We got to make sure that we get the job done and take care of our city.
We call ourselves snow fighters because we attack the job. This isn't a passive job, this is an active job.
Just like a fireman, we have to be available whenever snow comes down.
When you're a fighter, there's no time. It's not like you have a schedule. You get a call. Hello, yes sir, you're ready to go. You're rock and roll because you gotta go. There's snow to fight. That's what a snow fighter is.
We're snow fighters because we're tough and we work through a lot of adversity to get our job done and make sure that everything is safe for everybody.
At the end of the day, it's not just a job that we come and do. We're really out there fighting to make it look good. We're snow fighters because we really do battle the elements.
It's like this kind of army feel, like getting on the airplane and you're going to fight for what you believe in, and I think we all believe in delivering the greatest snowplow service in Toronto.
We call ourselves snow fighters because we keep the snow off our properties.
Makes me feel good to go home that I did my part.
Snow is my enemy, and I'm happy to kick snow's butt, and that's why I'm a snow fighter.